What ended in 1896? 1895. In today's video, that's right, you see that? That is energy. And today's video, we're gonna have lots of energy, okay? Because I gotta make this video like very entertaining for you folks. Yes, I called you folks, and that is part of the entertainment, you know? Woohoo. Today, we're gonna be looking at the most funny test answers. Let's get on with the video. Would you want to swim with the boy in this water? Explain your answer. They say no, because there's trash in the water, which was right, but they also said, and he's chubby. That is not very nice, my friend. That teacher needs to do a better job at teaching. To change centimeters to meters, you question mark. Take out centi. He is not wrong once again. All these people are very smart. Like, these people are geniuses. If I were to come up with that stuff when I was younger, smartest guy in the class. Write 5 words you could spell. 5 words you can spell. Oh man. 2 extra points for being that smart. Very clever. See, that's actually a good teacher. Most people would probably be like, oh, you're cheating. But no, this teacher. Extra credit. What is the strongest force on earth? Love. Oof. I feel bad for the kid. He probably just got his heart broken and the teacher didn't even give him the mark. In which battle did Napoleon die? His last one. These kids are smart, man. He's got a point. Like, it was his last battle. He should have got the mark. Where was the Declaration of Independence signed? On the bottom of the page. Once again, this guy is just 1000 IQ. It is at the bottom of the page. That's where you sign them. River Ravi, is that what it says? Flows in which state? Liquid state. See, this guy's using different subjects. He's using like what? Science. Yes, Luke, science. He's using science. I'm sorry, I'm a bit not smart today. The liquid state, like that's terminology of 100%. What is the main reason for divorce? Marriage. Once again, that probably is, because if you're not married, you won't have a divorce. What is the main reason for exams? Failure. Yes. What is that saying? Something to do with you can't go farther without failure. That's not it, but it's close enough. What can you never eat for breakfast? Lunch and dinner. Once again, like, this guy is smart, man. He should have got 100%. Scientists believe that blank is really just the tip of a super volcano that is overdue to erupt. He put A. Gary Busey. I don't know. They could have picked B, C, or D. Yellowstone National Park, which is the right answer, Jellystone National Park, or chickens. But nope, they decided to pick a human. This one I have to agree with the teachers this time. They shouldn't have got the mark because that wasn't even close. They picked a human. See, this person's actually smart. They got C right and E right. A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, that's correct, Luke. Oh my gosh, don't even know the alphabet. They got C and E right, and those are like I don't even know those answers, but I don't take those classes, so yeah. But to confuse the students. What am I even saying? I can't even process what I'm saying right now. That is just like, oh, man, like, I don't know what's happening. I'm trying to say stuff and it's not coming out right. I'm lost in my own train of thought right now, okay? We're just gonna skip to the next one. Student name, Brian. Describe what is meant by forgetting. And Brian put, I can't remember. The teacher better have given him the mark, because even if he actually can't remember what it is, he still got it right, technically. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Yes, it does equal 4. And they say, I can do math. They can do math. 2 plus 2 does equal 4, but they just gotta work on their spelling. So it looks like they have to write out the same word with 2 different meanings, and this person decided to choose but. And for the first one, they used it in a sentence by saying, but I didn't do it. And for the second one, they chose but. This is my butt. And the teacher even gave him a point. There's a check beside it. We did not. Did not. The teacher had to underline it 2 times and put it in capital letters. Have this on the board. I said we would not do this word. Exclamation mark. Point. Exclamation point. That's not a very happy camper. But they got the mark, so what's the big problem? Had to get some energy for you guys. Alright, for this math question, we have number 1, right. I think that's bigger than, or smaller than, or maybe it's the other way around. I don't even know which one is which, but all I know is that the open side goes to the bigger number, so it's like eating it up. But this person, for letter A, 0.5 or 1. And they literally just put or for every single one. Because it says right or, technically it says right or, so technically they did what it says. Number 1, briefly explain what hard water is. And they just put ice. That is brief, and that is what it is. So I don't see anything wrong with this answer. This sums up my life pretty well. I don't know how, but you used the wrong formula and got the correct answer. This happens to me. I'm all done math now. I finished all my math classes, but I would just use every single formula I could remember until I got somewhat of an answer. Not necessarily right, but at least you get points for trying, and that's what I go for. Because say the question's out of 5 marks and you have no clue what you're doing, you can still get like 3 out of 5 for trying. Number 1, why are there rings on Saturn? Because God liked it, so he put a ring on it. Oh man, Saturn was not a single lady. Oh, the teacher even went in on it. If you guys don't know, you probably do know, but those are the lyrics of a song. All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies, put my hands up in the air. I don't even know the lyrics, but it goes like da 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 da, put a ring on it, you know? Yeah. Draw a shape. They put a circle, that's right. But they didn't get number 10 right. What is your favorite hue? Jackman. That's a good one. When Romeo reaches Friar Lawrence's cell, what is the friar doing? The Charleston. What? What is the Charleston? The teacher says, wow, impressive, but wrong. Let me search up the Charleston. It's a dance. But what's the friar then? I'm so confused. 3. Sec 2x blah 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 blah. They started to do it, they put divided by tan squared over x, tan squared x. And I guess they just gave up and put Jesus is always the answer. And the teacher says, not on this question. -5? See, if I was the teacher, I would have gave at least 1 mark for trying because they didn't leave it blank. So technically, I don't think this teacher's just... Anyway, that's gonna be it for today's video. Oh man, see, like, I don't know what's happening. Okay, but on a more serious note, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to go down and hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Whose outro is like that? I swear someone says peace like that. Bryce Hall maybe? I don't even know. But anyways, peace.